porn connoisseur.
Yes.
What's going on in the world of porn these days?
It's gotten to the point now where the black girls were getting less money because they weren't doing the things that the white girls was doing. Like in the 90s, like the late 90s, they, you know, you catch a few here and there doing anal or, you know, facials or things of that nature. But now it's like you got to keep up with everything the white girls is doing. You know, double penetration or, you know, anal and all this other good stuff just to make your money in porn. But now the white girls took it to a whole another ball game. Like this one dude, Max somebody, is crazy. Like he's sticking bats in chicks and slapping them and beating them and pissing on them and stuff and that's not porn. Right, exactly. That's not porn. Like when I saw it at the convention, I'm like, y'all not gonna be doing that next, are you? Because that ain't cute, man. You shitting on Angela eyes. That ain't something you want to see.
And
You know what I'm saying?
he's that guy right now?
So, you got to think about it. It's a show that comes on called Pornocopia, and it's over 200 fetishes. Like the one dude, he rolled out a hockey bag and rolled it out, dropped the hockey bag, opened it up, and pulled a midget out and started fucking the midget. I was like, I was dying. I'm like, yo, he pulled a midget out of the hockey bag. Like, look at that. It was hilarious. But the biggest selling porn is this about 400-500 pound white chick, and the dude rolled around in some flour and was humping her rolls.
Well, hold on.
Yeah.
The biggest selling porn video.
Fetish. I say fetish.
Fetish, big, no pun. Is how big?
She got to be about 400-500 pounds. And it is one of the hottest selling videos where dude rolled her around in flour, a little Earl. It wasn't even cooking oil, it was Earl. Like I'm
Real
like,
talk.
Straight up. It's called Pornocopia. It comes on, I think it's HBO.
Yeah, I'm familiar with Pornocopia.
And they were talking about these 200 different fetishes. Like people make videos about women's feet. And it's considered porn because they're probably sitting there naked. But,